Welcome to Qiveda. My name's Greg, and in this video today, we're going to go through the hands, how to get out of hand stiffness, pains, any kind of discomfort, arthritis, locked up hands. A lot of these things that are going on in the hands is from too much retention, too much tension coming in the hands. So I'm going to show you some exercises today. Follow along through the whole video, and we're going to unlock your hands. If you do this 5 to 10 minute practice a day, I promise you're going to start seeing results within a couple weeks. Your hands are going to be brand new. Right, so here's what's happening. A lot of times with the hands, we're constantly grabbing, pulling, tension, and as we age and mature, we have more and more tension in our hands. And that's what causes a lot of hands to get locked up, tight. Notice, be aware, start to be more conscious of how you're holding your hands, how you're breathing. If you're short in breathing, you're going to be tightening the hands. So we're spending a lot of times tightening, clenching, grabbing, but how much time are we spent actually opening? So in these exercises, we're going to focus on opening the hands. That's going to allow the joints to open up. So what's happened in Chinese medicine, there's the meridians that flow down the hands, around the fingernails, and then back up the arm. And what happens within the meridians is also all the blood, the lymphatic system, everything like this. As it flows down, the goal is to any kind of buildup that's in the joints, in the wrist, in the knuckles, any point, any of these knuckles, it's supposed to flow all the way to the fingernail. It deposits the calcium in the fingernail, which gives us strong fingernails, and then it circulates back. Now, if that circulation doesn't make it because it gets locked in the joint, well, then that calcium buildup starts at the joint, and then that causes arthritis, will cause stiffness, causes inflammation, and then usually if you start to have that, you'll notice your fingernails start to get softer and weaker. Okay, so when we start to open up that flow, you'll start to feel the deposits going on. You'll less pain, less stiffness, less arthritis in the hands, and also you'll notice your fingernails start to get stronger. Okay, so what we're going to do, again, is we want to open up the hands, and we're also going to pulsate. So we're going to open, we're going to pull in, open, pull in, and it's going to look like this. So it's going to be a fluid flow of the hands. Now, this is going to take time to master, but just spend a few minutes every day doing it. You know, you can do this while you're walking. If you're on the phone, do one hand at a time. And this is going to help open up the flow in the hands. All right, so how we do this, imagine on a 4 count. 1, if this is the center point of our palm, open up from this center point all the way to the fingertips. 1. So the hand is wide open. 2, you're going to pull in from the palm. So you're just closing the palm and the fingers are following. So 2 is going to be right here, starting to close the fingers, pulling in with the palm. 3, you're going to start to curl the fingers. And then 4, the fingers are all the way curled. Pulling in as much as you can. And then back to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start to move in fluid motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do one hand at a time because you'll start to feel the hand get tight as you start to stimulate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And start to go through that motion. And when you're doing it, relax the breathing. This is going to open up all kinds of flow. When I first started doing this, I didn't have feeling in these 2 fingers because I cut a nerve when I was young. So when I first started, it was like this. I couldn't really move those two fingers here. Now, over the years, I can. It's starting, I don't know what happened, if it's repaired, rehealed, doesn't matter, it works now. And you can still feel it's not perfect, but it's moving. I have much more momentum, feeling, everything in that hand. And when you're doing it, first we'll just learn this movement. And again, this one you can do all throughout your day. You could be on a phone call doing this below. Do one hand at a time for a couple minutes. Relax your breathing. This is about not moving with resistance, moving fluid like water. Pulling in, open up. Pull it in, open up. And then you can start to really feel you finding that flow when you're pulling in. Make that open a bit of a, almost like a shot. And it's like a pump. It's going to help open up the hand and go. Once we've gotten that down, the next part is we're going to do that same movement, but circling it around the hip. So one hand all the way open. Start with the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 all the way down, shoulder all the way down. 2 coming in the front. So imagine right here, your hip bone, this coming out, this protruding a little bit, that hard point. That's the center point, and we're painting a circle around the hip. So 1, 2, 3. Start to lift the shoulder up. 4 in the back, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And start to find that flow. Again, 1, hand all the way open. 2, starting to pull it in the center of the palm. 3, starting to curl the fingers. 4, fingers all the way curled. 1. And again, relax. And this is going to help stimulate the flow all the way from the neck all the way down to the fingertips. Remember, shoulder comes up as you come up. Shoulder goes down as the arm comes down. So the hand is painting circles around the hips. The shoulder is painting circles. And do 12 circles on the left. And then we'll relax the left hand, do 12 circles to the right. Again, 1, hand all the way open, down. 2, start to pull into the center of the palm, fingers start to curl in the front. 3 at the top, starting to curl the fingers. 4 in the back, fingers all the way curled. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then start to find fluidity. Again, the circle is all, the shoulder is also circling. The hand is circling. Relax the hand, relax the breathing. Here we're moving like water, fluidity. As you start to feel that flow and get really comfortable, when you go down, same thing like we did here, pump it open. This is what's really going to help release that calcium, send it down, and get out of that joint pain, out of that stiffness in the hand. And you can do this 12 circles around the right. So 12 circles to the left, 12 to the right. Now, if you have the time, do 3 rounds. 12 to the left, 12 to the right, 12 to the left, 12 to the right, 12 to the left, 12 to the right. This is really going to help. Also open up all the joints, not only in the hands, but also in the elbows, the shoulders. The last one you can do to really help is caterpillar. And it's the same hand movement, but this one we're going to crawl, and you're going to focus on the left hand first. And you stay centered, but your hand is crawling like a caterpillar. So you're reaching as far as you can to the left. So both hands are going through the motion, but you're only focused on the left, really crawling. I want to show you just to move, but when you're doing it, stay centered. and it opens up. This is also really going to help open up all the joints in the hand, all the knuckles. Open the left, 12 cross. And then to the right. And the same thing is about encircling the hips. If you have the time, do another round. 12 to the left. Twelve to the right. And then again, 12 to the left. And 12 to the right. Three rounds, both sides. Bring the hands together, warm them up. Stimulate. Well done. Thank you so much. If you found this practice useful, make sure like the video, subscribe to the Qiveda channel. We have an amazing roster of videos coming out this year. Thank you so much. Share this to someone that you know that help get them out of any stiffness, hand pain, or arthritis. And let's heal the world together. Thank you so much.